Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we are here at the gathering place, getting ready to take down a couple of oak trees that have been decaying here for a little while. One of the fascinating things about the gathering place is their attention to protecting the soil here. And so what that means is that they don't want any large impacts happening at the base of the tree, around the tree, anywhere in this area. So luckily we have the crane with us here today. We'll be able to pick every single piece and set it down away from the drop zone underneath the tree, and therefore there won't be any impact on the turf underneath. You rotate your whole thing a little further counterclockwise and come at it a little more at this angle instead of this angle. Yeah, right there. Now some more rotate. Yeah. Now you can tilt down. Yep. Right there. Yep. You can maybe go a little higher if you want. Where you're at is the best diameter to grab, and it should still be plenty bottom heavy. So now it's not gonna, your tines aren't gonna overlap each other, so you're gonna want to get up against it. Yeah, there you go, just like that. I dig it. Cool. All right, so on this piece here we've got the Mechanized already grabbed in position. I started my first cut there. It's a 2-cut process. This is what it will end up looking like when it's done. And the point of that is it will allow me in the bucket truck to make both of the cuts and then get myself away from the piece before the crane operator lifts the log out of that piece. This helps it to stay kind of stable and doesn't let anything kind of swing out in any direction. In case we want to minimize that swing no matter what, but just gives you that extra peace of mind that it's not going to do anything unexpected while you're waiting to get yourself a safe distance away. You can see I've gone a little more than halfway through on this side already, so now I'll come in here and then that will finish it up. You guys copy? Okay. Because it's deflecting, so it's actually moving it further out this way. So give me a little more retract. What about with the, okay. There we go. I heard it crack a little bit. I see it, yeah. Let me see. Give me a little rotate to the counter. Yep. There we go, that's what it needed. And that sucker looks like it's awfully free. Hold it right there. I can. Give me a little more counter. Yeah, you're free. So Jake, if you want to, once you get it up, feel free to rotate it, tilt it flat, I mean, yeah. That's it. was smooth. We just watch my bar tip. The whole bunch. Do me a favor. Rotate counterclockwise. Rotate the whole boom. Yep. Because I'm basically pinched over here. So you're not going to give it a lot, just maybe enough to try to open that for me. Yeah. Okay. Hold that. Damn, that sucks. I should have shaved that knot off before of course I lined up. There we go. You can see at this point that the diameter of the trunk is too large to continue to grab it the way we have been doing with the Mechanized. So at this point what we're going to do is swap out the saw head for some rigging slings that we can tie off the log directly to the crane. That will also increase our lifting capacity because we won't any longer have the weight of the saw attachment on the jig.